Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm visiting a place called Taman Tugu. I'm going on a very first hike. Come on, let's go. Oh, that's the place. We're almost reaching. And look at that Zumba. Oh, the trekking starts. We're walking in the jungle. It was a very good place. It was full of greeneries and also fresh air. Look at that, guys. Look at that sun rays coming through those trees. Ooh, that's silly me dancing. Walking in the nature makes you feel good and it's good for your health. It keeps you fit and happy. We continue walking after seeing the sun rays. Now we are seeing some trees with names on them. We spotted old trees. We spotted mushrooms and also wild big flowers. And then the stair hiking starts. We're going on stairs. And look at all those wild plants. It was drizzling and our hiking was not that easy. Then we're going on to the next scene. Wow, we're almost content. We're going on a bridge. It is so small. Okay, we're going up some more stairs. Oh, look at how huge that leaf is. Our trekking is almost ending. We spotted some cute little mushroomies over here. We're continuing again. We're going. Oh, sun rays again. Wow, we have another sun rays. Oh, some more wild plants again. Oh, wow, look at that peace plant. And look at that huge tree. And we completed our hiking. This time I used green tail. I'm gonna use yellow tail again. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.